Hey guys, Sensei Preston here, going to go over this side kick, all right? Remember, there's 4 parts to every kick, and we're using the heel of our foot when we do the side kick, okay? So a way for you guys to practice this at home is to take your knee. I curl my foot up like to get my heel ready already. So you bring your knee away from the target, and then your heel is curled up, and you're firing your heel into the target and bring your knee back in. Your rechamber is very important here. So I'm here, fire my side kick, and rechamber. Here, side kick, rechamber. Now, what I always tell everyone is point whatever butt cheek you're using on that leg to throw the kick. So here, throw my kick, here, and then back. I can still look over my shoulders. Alright? So that kick is the same kick that's in Champions 3, where I step back my fighting stance, I come around, I do the same kick here, alright? It's in Champions 5, Champions 4, it's a Champion 8. Alright, so the side kick is very important. It's also a very important kick to learn for sparring. So work on your side kick exactly how I'm doing it here, alright, and then reset. It is a push kick. Push. Alright, so work on that side kick and let me know how you guys